And teams from around the country are now in Indianapolis preparing for the NCAA tournament, which is taking place entirely right here in Indiana.
There are a lot of restrictions and protocols players and coaches must follow to stay safe, but many of those rules will apply to you too. We have team coverage with everything you can expect as a fan as you prepare to root on for your favorite school. We begin with WRTV's Megan SANCTORUM, working to find out what bars and restaurants downtown are doing to follow COVID-19 restrictions and guidelines to keep you safe, and what those establishments are asking you to do in return.
Bar and restaurant managers we spoke with say these additional crowds bring a much needed boost in business, but they say they're working closely with the health department to make sure they serve them in a safe way. As basketball fans from all across the country make their way to downtown Indianapolis, bars and restaurants are staying busy.
It's a wonderful feeling to have that vibe back. People are excited to be out and definitely excited that basketball's back.
But at places like Kilroy's downtown, keeping people safe and preventing the spread of COVID-19 is still a top priority.
Obviously, if you were in here 2 years ago for a game, it would have been elbow to elbow, but you have to be seated. The tables are spaced. Obviously, all the sanitation stations.
Here at Kilroy's, they have extra staff on hand working to make sure all the county guidelines are being followed.
We have door guys that will regulate that, so making sure that it's 6 or less, that you have a mask on.
And they're prepared for random and scheduled inspections from the health department. In fact, one just happened this morning.
I felt pretty safe.
TANYA Barber is visiting from Illinois.
Didn't know what to expect because I know Illinois is pretty closed down. So knowing that Indiana is open, I wasn't sure what to expect, but I was pleasantly surprised.
She tells us she's been getting her food to go just to be safe. But she says so far, most places seem to be doing a good job complying with local health orders.
You still have some that aren't compliant, but, I still felt safe. They had hand sanitizer everywhere, and most people did have on their masks. So.
Working for you, Megan SANCTORUM, WRTV.
We requested data from the Marion County Health Department regarding how many warnings or citations were issued to bars and restaurants this weekend. They said that data is currently unavailable, but we will keep working to get it, and we will let you know when we learn more.